What's up with the number 7? There are 7 chakras in the human body, 7 colors in the rainbow, 7 classical planets, which corresponds to the 7 days of the week, and the 7 metals. In the Bible, Joshua is instructed to march around the city of Jericho with 7 priests, playing 7 trumpets for 7 days, marching 7 times on the 7th day. Noah is commanded to take 7 clean animals onto the ark. The creation story is also 7 days with God resting on the 7th. But let's talk about this with simple geometry. God is represented by a circle whose center is everywhere and circumference is nowhere. He's a circle because he's whole. In order to create the physical world, though, God had to split himself. That's why we have duality here, day and night, sun and moon, hot and cold. But when God splits himself, he's still whole because he's God, and so he actually just makes a reflection of himself. So on day 1, when God said, "Let there be light," this forms the Vesica Piscis, or the geometric womb of life. The light that emerges from this womb condenses into matter, and this matter is each subsequent day. Each day we are just reflecting another circle of God until we get to the 7th day. And on the 7th day, we are just encapsulating all of these previous days back into a circle, back into God's wholeness, and this forms what is known as the seed of life. And that seed of life is just the top-down view of the torus. Or we can take the number 7 and reflect it vertically as well as horizontally. If we just merge those 7s together, we get 2 triangles, which represents as above and so below, which is a perfect representation of where you are. You are at the intersection of spirit and matter. Heaven has been squeezed down to form this neutral plane of earth. You are at the lowest point of heaven, but also the highest point of hell. It's completely neutral, and it's your choice to ascend or descend. Those triangles also represent water and fire, but sometimes 7 actually has a line on it. So when we have these 7s merged together, we get earth and air. So from the number 7, we get the 4 elements that make up this physical plane that arise from the circle or from spirit. All from that simple number 7.